Hey everyone, and look at the size of these boxes. If I'm correct, I think this is my order from the Ready store. I already took off my labels, started to open one, and let me just finish opening this and we'll check it out and see what's in there. If we recall correctly, I ordered freeze-dried blueberries and freeze-dried corn in number 10 cans. And this should be it. 6 and 6. Oh, look how they send that. Grandma's Country Foods. Oh, that looks pretty interesting. Okay, let's... I guess they pack the boxes sideways. Oh... Freeze-dried super sweet corn. Am I going to be able to get this out of here without dropping it? And let's see. Okay, that's it. That's the number 10 Saratoga Farms super sweet corn from the Ready store. And I'm just going to put that back in the box until I can store it in my, I put these in the black totes. The Sterilite stackers. Let's check out the blueberries. I mean, I know what it is, and I'm not going to open the cans, but we do need to make sure that what's supposed to be in the box is what's in the box. Okay, and it's the same thing. They packed them sideways. It's not actually bad. Emergency Essentials puts 6 of these in a box by itself. Either way is fine. I would have to say I think I prefer Emergency Essentials way of shipping, simply because they're much lighter. I mean, let's see, freeze-dried. I really do want to try these out though. Oh, somebody told me who has a freeze dryer when I mentioned, you know, sometimes I feel like I can buy it cheaper than I can freeze dry it because blueberries are expensive. And he said the time he tried a freeze-dried strawberry, it had no flavor and it felt like eating a sponge. So I may end up opening one of these. I don't know. I'm just real not sure yet. But I guess opening something to do a taste test is probably a good thing to do. We'll see. That's a lot of corn to have to eat, though. I could open a can of corn and a can of green beans and then just go ahead and put the rest in Mylar bags, I suppose. But that's it. That's what I prepped today. It's what the UPS, FedEx, I don't know who brought this, UPS or FedEx. Not sure. But I'll show you what else I did. Now, you know, a while back I did the ramen noodles, chicken and beef, and I got those at Sam's Club, and I thought I wanted to get some more, and they had them on special again. But it was crazy because I paid $6 for a case of 40 or 48 at Sam's Club because it was $2 off. They were normally like $8. They raised them $1 to $9, and now they're on special for $1 off. You know what? That's not even a special. So that's what I harp on, and I say, know your prices. Don't just say, oh, it's on sale, it's $1 off. Well, after they raise the price $1, you know, it's just not fair. I think it's like rather deceitful. And like my local grocery store that I rarely shop at that gives me the free gas, Giant Eagle, their sale prices are still more than shopping at Walmart. Like, I know that a lot of people don't like Walmart, but why am I going to pay 20% more for something that's the exact same product? That's not me. And, you know, you can say, well, you're giving all your money to the Waltons. Well, the people who own Giant Eagle think I should give them a premium over what I should pay. Sorry, it's my money. I can't invest my money and make 20%. So I'm not going to pay somebody 20% just to allow me to shop at their store. Which kind of makes me upset that Sam's Club does this, simply because I pay to shop there. And when I go in there and I see a price that I know is cheaper somewhere else, it's just like people just automatically assume they're getting the better price because they're a member of Costco or Sam's Club or something like that. You still have to shop around. So I went to the Dollar Tree and they had the shrimp ramen noodles. I showed you that at 5 a pack, which made them 20 cents each. So I went ahead and bought 8 5-packs, which is 40. So that's what I did today. I put these 40 ramen noodle shrimp things and labeled them all. And I wish I had a labeler, but then that would just add to my costs. So this is the way I do it. A labeler would look better. A labeler would be nice. But then again, I don't know if a label would peel off in time. But then again, I don't know if these are going to wear off in time. And yes, I am digressing. Oh, and I want to show you something else. Look at this. My husband got me flowers for my birthday. Isn't he a sweetheart? But anyway, that's it. That's what I prepped today. I did the shrimp ramen noodles and got my delivery from the Ready store, which, by the way, if you remember my granola thing with the Ready store, they still haven't called me back. I called and left a message, and they raised the granola. I don't know if it was in response to my message or if they just planned on raising it. I mean, even though one of them was on monthly specials. And here I am rambling again, so that's it. That's what I prepped today. Let me know in the comments. Do you think I should open these and test them just to make sure they taste good and let everybody know? Or should I just put them away? And let me know. What did you prep today? Be blessed, everyone.